I would like to congratulate Sankla Foundation for bringing out a lovely report on ecological restoration in the Aravallis based on 4 villages in the district of Gurgaon. Restoration work that is going to be carried out in the Aravallis takes some lead from this. And regarding today's conference, it was a fantastic conference on Aravalli landscape conservation and ecological restoration, various ideas on community participation, on what is ecological restoration, what it would mean to restore Aravalli landscape, what it means to restore watersheds of Aravallis and develop integrity of the land is what was discussed in the conference. I think it is a very important conference, and I hope there is more dialogue towards conservation of Aravallis and towards seeing that the Aravalli landscape is highlighted and is protected in the times to come. Thank you.